What's going on, Joy fam? Welcome to another video. I'm back and so are you, I guess. Thanks for clicking on the video. Guys, we are at this mystery box claw machine. This is a really cool idea. They have these like little to-go boxes, and it says on the back you can win an iPhone X if you win the right box. So we're gonna try to win as many boxes as we can and see how many we can win. So let's see, it's $2 a try. So we're gonna insert last quarter, 8 quarters, heck yes. All right, let's see if we can win this box right here. Or actually, let's go for this flat one. I wanna see. Let's see if we can win this flat Echo box. Biodegradable, very good for the environment. That's a plus. Come on, ooh, oh, first try.
No way, stay.
Stay in
Don't
there.
open up.
Come on, stay.
Stay.
Yes, heck
nice.
yes, mystery box. Heck yes, it's a mystery. I'm a mystery, guys. Oh, who am I? I don't know. Oh my God, there's $5 in
nice.
here. Well, that's a deal because we can just keep playing. Heck to the yes. Mystery
Oh my
box.
God.
Let's go for this one right here. Oh, come on. That's
that looks
perfect.
good.
Oh, easy. Oh, this
my God.
machine is easy. Come on. Stay in there.
Nice.
Heck to the yes. Another mystery. Oh.
Oh, fell back out.
Bounced out. Yes. Oh my God, $10.
No way.
Guys, we're doubling. We're doubling.
Watch the next one be 15.
Heck yes. That's amazing. I love money. If you guys like money, like the like button. I better not see any dislikes on this video.
Watch
go
maybe
for-
that one over here, maybe.
Yeah, let's go for this one. Thanks to my cameraman, Brett. If you guys want to check his channel, his link will be in the description. You guys know where to find it. Down in my crotch. I'm sorry. All right. I might have to swing it a little bit. Let's try that. Oh,
Yes,
that's a perfect.
That's a good grab.
Heck to the yes. Every try. Well.
Wow, this vendor does not care about having his payout percentage.
Product for me. And,
What is it?
we got $3.
$3? I mean,
Guys, we are profiting pretty well here. $3,
we made
$10,
$18.
$18. Yo, if I win an iPhone X in one of these, I think we'll be able to.
Oh,
wait. No,
No.
it doesn't.
Oh my God.
It's so easy to win. No way. Heck to the yes.
Wow.
Let's see.
I didn't think I would grab them.
Big bucks. Ooh, how $6?
7.
Heck
Oh,
yeah,
$6.
$6.
I'm sorry.
That's a deal.
Oh, that's swinging. You missed it.
Oh shoot.
Wait.
Oh dang it. I mean.
You knocked it over.
Yeah. It's gettable now. Let's see. I'm thinking like right there. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Oh my God.
Stay. Don't fall.
Heck,
Oh
my God.
I
That was
barely
crazy.
stayed.
That was insane. Let's see. We got $2. Not bad.
Not bad.
Heck to the yes.
It's money.
Love
King.
money.
No complaint about money.
All right. Let's go for this one.
Yeah,
right
try that
here.
one. That's flat. Oh, bad spin.
Oh God.
No way.
No way. Okay.
I
dang
made it, boys. You have to swing for it.
Well, yeah, we'll try. I might try for this one. And this one in the middle looks pretty easy. Let's see. Let's go for this one.
Ooh, that looks like a grab.
Oh no!
That's heavy.
Wait, that might be.
Wait.
That looked
Hold
heavy.
on, that might have been heavy.
All of these are really light because they just have cash in it. Oh, I need to put more money. Guys, I'm putting more money in here. I'm putting in another 20. Heck to the yes.
You missed it. See,
you
gotta like knock it over.
That's embarrassing. See, I feel like it's harder to win, you know? Like, he's not gonna let that one.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, man.
You gotta somehow knock it over.
Unless you got a bad grab.
That's true. Come on. Oh, yeah.
That looks good.
That. Oh, that's so heavy.
That's heavy.
That's
What if it's doing something that...
If he's trolling me and puts like a 10-pound, like,
piece
dumbbell
of metal,
in there. Yeah. Oh.
Come on.
Let's see. Come
That
on.
looks good.
Oh, perfect.
No way.
Oh, okay, wait.
Oh,
now,
knocked it over.
Now I can get it.
You just gotta get a good grab.
It's flat, like my booty. Oh, sorry. Can I say that on YouTube? YouTube, do not demonetize me. Okay. We're gonna go for this again. Come on. Oh, it's stabbed. It's stabbed. I can get this. Oh wow, it is swinging.
That is swinging like crazy.
Swinging like a monkey. All right, come on.
Come on, it's
Come on,
laying flat.
baby.
It's laying flat.
It's laying flat. Can we drop right there?
That looks good. Oh.
Oh my God.
Say,
Oh, that has to be it.
It's not even grabbing at all.
No,
You
guys.
can't pick it up.
I think this is it. Okay.
Watch that one video, iPhone X.
That'd be funny.
Come on.
Oh, come on.
Ah,
Oh, dang
you gotta
it.
go more left because the way it's spinning.
Help me out, guys. Help me out. Where do you think I
Right
should
there,
go?
a little more left.
Look good
left,
on the
left
angle?
more. Left more.
Okay.
Left more.
Oh, I'm dropping it there.
No.
Oh,
Yes,
perfect.
grab it.
No, oh, it's so slippery.
I know.
Excuse me.
Oh,
I do. It's got to grab that like no other. We want an iPhone X. Come on, baby.
Double tap it.
Oh.
Oh, come on.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh, it's got to like get under it.
yeah, you got it.
It's weird.
You're stabbing it.
Oh, I don't like when I stab things. Except when it's with a fork and I'm eating. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Come on.
go right there. Oh my,
no.
oh no. See
You see,
you.
you're a little incompetent. You gotta go like towards the front of it.
Just go right there.
No, it's gonna.
Oh.
There.
Oh.
It's not gonna.
I gotta go to the right of it, I think.
I got it.
Oh wow, look at this.
Nope, it's gonna snap.
Why does it keep spinning?
You guys go to
different?
the left. You gotta go left because the
It
left.
just keeps on spinning like this, and I'm sorry.
Oh. You gotta go more to the left because the left prong will stab the box.
Dang. Guys, I've spent like
Like $30.
$50. No, more than that.
I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Let's try it right there. Don't spin right. Yep, perfect.
There we go. Come on, grab it.
Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna
double
try.
tap it.
We're gonna try to drop it right here. Oh, right there. Oh man, it's close. Why isn't it?
It's like closing, but then
It's
it's
being
like
a churro, guys.
being a bad churro.
Bad churro. Right there. Come on, grab it, you churro.
You see.
You. Up. Okay, guys, we're gonna
Remember,
try.
left of it, left of it.
We're gonna try to win this. Heck to the yes.
Right there.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh, slippery.
See, that's slippery.
Heck yes, come on. I want. Come on. Oh no. See, guys, this box is really
You need to
hard.
like get it in the box
I know,
somehow.
I
You need to
know.
flip it over the other way in case you can hook the box.
All right. Come on. Come on. Oh, dang it.
I would go more left
No.
now because the back
Well,
left.
I will now because I'm a churro. I'm sorry.
That's a fact.
Is it? Or is it fiction?
Oh.
Come on. I want this.
Oh,
Oh,
wait,
there.
No.
Oh my god.
It's so
Guys,
weird.
It is weird. It has to be.
It was so heavy.
Come on, iPhone X, baby. Just grab
Yay.
it. Come on.
One again.
Oh my god. Oh no, I'm so close.
You need to like knock it down.
That's
so
the
you can
closest I've ever gotten though so
I
far.
won again.
If you can
I
get
think.
in the box, one of the prongs in the box,
Yes,
then
that's
you'll
what
be
I
good.
need to
crap.
do.
It just
Okay,
needs to
come
not.
on.
You might need to stab it on purpose.
Come on, yep, right there.
Wait,
Come on.
wait.
No. Oh, it's heavy.
You gotta
It's
make
got
sure
weight.
it falls down.
Oh,
Fall down the right way. You need to stab it.
gravity. Okay, come on. I want this. If this isn't the iPhone X.
Oh, you missed it.
guys.
No.
No, it's closer.
Yeah, it's
Look
closer.
at the distance.
It's like maybe 2 feet.
That's like a churro length away.
Oh.
It's about the average churro length, guys. Back to the yes. Okay, come on. We gotta win this. Alright, guys. I got one more try on here before I'm putting even
More
more money
money.
in this. I'm not gonna stop. If the iPhone isn't in here, I'm gonna throw a fit. That's gonna be like.
You're gonna ask for your
illegal.
demand for your money back.
I'm gonna demand from
For
my
your churros
churros back.
back.
Yeah, exactly. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, right there.
Yes. Yes.
No, stay,
Two
stay,
wrong,
stay,
two wrong.
stay. Come on, please. Yes.
Yes!
Let's go. Heck yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. No.
Here is the final
Holy. If
stage.
That's not it.
Oh. No, guys. Everyone, let's just take a moment of silence right now to hope that this Xbox has an iPhone X in it.
Ready for
Okay, screw
churros.
this. I can't take it anymore.
Oh my god.
No! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
iPhone X! No way! No freaking way! Heck to the yes! Another iPhone X win on this channel. We are killing it every single day. Oh my god! Whatever. Guys, I'm actually gonna do something pretty crazy right now. I'm gonna be doing the iPhone X giveaway. So I'm just gonna be giving away an iPhone X. Now the way it's gonna work is that the iPhone X is gonna go to one of the most active and current subscribers. So the contest hasn't started yet, but when it does, it's only going to be open for a short amount of time. So you guys are want to hit that post notification bell so you guys can get alerts when I post a video, and you'll have the best chances at winning. The way I'm doing this is, since I have so many subscribers, I'm just going to do a giveaway for that video only. So it's all the people who comment in that video. The giveaway is going to be open for a short amount of time, so you guys want to stay updated, stay watching the videos, and you guys might have a really good chance at winning this iPhone X. I didn't want to do it for all the subscribers just because chances are, like, one person, the odds are very low, and I wanted the people who really wanted an iPhone X the best chances to win. So if you guys want to win this, stay alerted, hit that post notification bell, get ready for the giveaway that'll be coming very soon, and you guys might be able to win yourself an iPhone X just like I did. But that is insane. Social media links are in the description as always, guys. Check them out. Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. Links are in the description, as well as Brett's channel. So if you guys want to go check that out, you know where to go. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are my favorite Joy fam in the world, and I'll see you next time.